Our breeding, our fertility went very well. We had a 93% in-calf rate. We're farming here, myself and my wife Rebecca and our two sons John and Reese are farming here in Johnstone Bridge, County Kildare. We're milking here since 2013, the spring of 2013, and we're supplying Lakeland dairies. Originally, before 2013, we were beef and tillage, and we got into milk then in 13. On this farm, there's 170 acres, and our overall stocking rate is about 2.2 livestock units per hectare. Our herd is, I suppose, starting in 2013. We didn't bring together all the cows we wanted, I suppose, but we've grown the herd now. So we have a mixture of high EBI Irish, I suppose, high EBI Holsteins and some crossbreds as well. I suppose rather than focusing on any individual cow type, I suppose we're trying to breed for fertility and high percentages of fat and protein and solids. In terms of the current herd performance, or this year's herd performance, I suppose we're on track to deliver between 470 and 480 kilograms of milk solids per cow. Our breeding, our fertility went very well. We had a 93% in-calf rate and a projected 6-week calving rate next year of about 85%. So we had a suckler herd. So we had a suckler herd and we brought everything to finish, and we also would have been finishing bulls and heifers and finishing throughout the year. And we had a tillage enterprise as well. So we grew wheat and barley, and our winter wheat and winter barley, and we carried out all that work ourselves when we were doing it. When we started dairying, I suppose the first thing we did, we soil tested every acre we had, or every 5 acres we had actually, to get a real good feel of where we are. And to be honest, the results were not good. We were low index 2s mostly, and for P's and K's, and our pH status was okay. It could have been better. So we soil test now every 4 or 5 years. And we spread fertiliser, so whether that's P's and K's or lime, we have an ongoing programme all the time to try to address that. So obviously the target is to get to index 3, and then the soil pH is 6.3 throughout the farm. All our nitrogen fertiliser, all our straight nitrogen is protected urea. So as it became available, I think about 3 years ago, when it became readily available or was on the market, we started using it. So obviously there's two for an environmental piece, and in terms of ammonia emissions, there's a positive for it as well. But from a farmer point of view, it actually gives me more flexibility throughout the year when I can spread urea, because I can spread it in a drier time. I can use urea in a drier time. This year we'll feed about 700 kilos of meal per cow. And like, for us, that's on target. We're happy with that. Obviously we're always working to increase the amount of grass we utilise and lower the amount of meal, and that's where the grass budget and the grass measuring becomes so important.